NerdWallet review: watch before using. Most people get finance tools wrong. They assume tracking credit cards, loans, or investments is complicated and expensive. The surprising truth about NerdWallet is that it provides free, personalized financial advice, product comparisons, and insights, and you won't believe how much it can simplify money management. Here's how it works. NerdWallet offers credit score monitoring, product recommendations for credit cards, loans, and insurance, as well as calculators for mortgages, savings, and investments. Users can compare options, see rates, and make informed financial decisions all in one place. For example, someone shopping for a new credit card can use NerdWallet to compare rewards, fees, and interest rates to find the best fit. Most people get this wrong. They think financial tools are overly complicated, but NerdWallet presents information clearly and in actionable ways. Additional features include financial guides, budgeting tips, investment tracking, and alerts for changes in credit scores. Users praise its reliability, clarity, and comprehensive approach to personal finance. However, there are considerations. Recommendations are sometimes affiliate linked, so it's important to review products independently. Most people assume free tools are limited. NerdWallet delivers robust advice and resources without cost. In conclusion, NerdWallet is ideal for anyone looking to make smarter financial decisions, track credit and spending, and compare financial products efficiently. Subscribe for more honest reviews of personal finance tools and apps.